Uh-oh. 1997 F-150 lawnmower strikes again. Don't ask about the again part. I may have found a different way to install this window without taking off all that plastic and everything else that I really don't want to mess with because it's a 1997 and it's a little bit fragile in this Georgia heat. So what I'm going to do is grab a square number 3 on my little quarter-inch jaw. Take this one loose from the inside. Take this one loose from the inside and then attack the beast. That lower one I already just did crack it loose. And it's a square drive, number 3. Try to get that the rest of the way out. Now the square part is going to hold this part in, which forgive me, but I'm doing this one-handed here. Once you get her done out like that, just keep fixing it back. There goes my tip. When you get it far enough out, the inside will turn. There's a little rubber with a screw like that right there. And then this will pull out. That's where the glass was. And then this plastic piece pops off. So the glass is going to go in between this plastic piece and this square piece. Repeat for the top. As far as the beast goes, I pried a screwdriver underneath the lip of this plastic pin, squeezed the bottom part here where the pin was inserted through. I'm going to pull it out. So sorry. I got her out, and this should come out, which it did. Now I'm going to attempt to disassemble this part. Just as I suspected, this little plastic nut wasn't that tight. I'm going to get some glass in the something that rhymes with glass, pulling that off, pulling this off, putting it on top, knocking all that little glass out there, and then I will do the same on the window that I bought. I'm going to slide the plastic cover back on that one. Say a little prayer. Might be nice to put a little booger on it to get her to stay. Put that one on the bottom. Maybe a little bubble gum. A little dot of silicone. Get her to stay. There we go. Line up my window. Put them over. Drop my first screw in from the inside. Insert my unit with the washer to the outside in the right position. Slide the tab into the window lock and replace the plastic pin. Voila! No muss, no fuss, no broken plastic, no 2.5 hour job.